Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment and presentation. My local search marketing. The what is the local search marketing? Local search marketing is very important point. Your business, the locally marketing and your local customer, targeted local audience, and how to make and create your business and small business, large business, and uh, other business. The local search engine marketing, local search marketing. Local search marketing. What is the local search marketing? Very important topics, the any business and reach and development and engagement, targeted audience, and generate sales and traffic. Very important points and important topics, the local search marketing. What is the local search marketing? The local search marketing companies, both offline and online, track employee to promote a business that serve customer face to face. The term local search engine optimization, local SEO, and local business marketing are often used synonyms which local search marketing. The main goal is of promotion can include important customer satisfaction, reflection, traffic, visibility, and conversion and revenue with the understanding missing of engaging great number of nearby customer. Friends, my class and my tutorial, my lecture, my motivation lecture, the very important point of search and optimization, the very important points and important parts, local search marketing. What is the local search marketing? I can again repeat, the local search marketing companies both offline and online tricks. The companies to promote business, that service, customer face to face. The term local search engine optimization, local search engine optimization, and local business marketing are often used somebody which is local search marketing. The main goal this offer from promotion can integration improving customer strategy and customer satisfaction, reflection, traffic, visibility, conversion, and revenues with the understanding meeting of engage great number of nearby customers and audience. Local business are defense as communication and entertain. They are the service customers in person. Local business model runs from a small single location competitor to large enter with those hang and this of permission. Service our business with physical local also qualify and local business provide the carry out their work in the location of customer and clients and targeted audience traffic, etc., etc. When fully realization, local search marketing can be invoiced and structured highly tracks. Well, every campaign will have unique goal, brands, and created to local business owner and their markets. It is useful to study a brand overview for local search marketing which we present. There are pyramid tracks that is bottom of the primer shown be views and foundational with optimize higher up offering extend potential from competitors definition. Foundation of local search marketing. Number one, competitor age, publishing strategy, website another qualified and optimization, local data distribution strategy, reporting strategy, market intelligence, customer service strategy, guidelines and company. Understanding local search marketing. Here is your no key, the foundation of local search marketing. The guidelines complaints. The first step to marketing and local business is study in regular government the platform on which you plan to have person and also to be knowledgeable of the always regarding advertising and competition in your countries. Finally, to complete with the public and law can result in trying to active on their part of platform and listing. Every online platform has its own standard. For local business, one of the most important documents will regularly reference to guidelines. The guidelines to reference your business to Google beside Google has because the dynamic force in online local search their guidelines only outline how to local brand can integrate Google platform. But they have also having influencer how to convert and track about local business in modern. The business there including an academy broke the Google result my friends local business and support the reviews fails out and company setting the bill long list brand also slate phone without to break this result. What are you are the pressing of local business instinct the platform look Google business profile community site ring and the reviews platform like your social media has like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and social media platform the guidelines before engage any marketing activities. The customer service strategy. The providing excellent customer experience is the very fundamental of local business success since the bringing the commission. Word of mouth marketing with the commission has been the traditional source and the business reporting. The tips of paid advertising and PR price great experience can be during control and published in the breweries, but today's is the local business report and drinks and average reviews. The ranking 96% audience US the communication read the local business reviews 98% people the sum during the trust and scene department what is not possible the practical local business. There are day on 11% the commission trust to address in some bodies the trace over this the public saying. Because it is know the customer who are the most trusted and influential brand and story. It is standard to reach and their subscriber and providing expression customer service. Happy customer with the provide the lunch and reviews with the front and save hire and train and practice. The company's strategy, how to generate and customer generate are key in creating the local business the longevity. All stay the should be full trained in process, service, customer relation and product. There are the brand of brace experience wall the door. The market intelligence, the should be local business success in front with the communication members with at the give and take local business can you thrive and surge. The serving in community, service the local companies, service Google. The friends, very important. Some topics my videos 1 to 10 minutes above that the local search marketing, the both offline and online employee promotion business and your customer face to face. And the local search engine optimization, the local business marketing obtaining the local search market. The local business, any local business, Google My Business using and the social media platform, etc., using and the local market search. Thank you. Best of luck.